Today we will be learning how to find the circumference of a circle. To better understand how to find the circumference of a circle, we will first go over some of the different aspects of a circle, such as the circumference, pi, center, diameter, and radius. Circumference is the distance or length around a circle. This is the answer to the equation you are trying to solve for. In the image shown, the circumference is represented by the green line. Pi is an irrational number, which means that it cannot be written as a fraction. Also, if you were to write pi as a decimal, it never ends. So we use the approximation of 3.14 when used in formulas. The center is the exact middle of a circle. If a line is not touching the center, then it is a chord. A chord is any line in a circle that touches two different points. A chord is represented by the yellow line, and the center is represented by the red dot. It is easier to find the diameter and the radius if you know where the center is first. Diameter is a line that touches two ends of a circle and the center. You will use this line, or the radius, alongside with pi to calculate the circumference. You can find the diameter by multiplying the radius by 2. Once again, the diameter is represented by the yellow line. Radius is a line that touches an outer part of the circle and the center. It does not make contact with more than one part of the outside. You can replace diameter with this for an alternative formula. Here, the radius is shown by the yellow line. There are two formulas you can use to find the circumference. If you know the diameter of the circle, use formula 1, shown in purple, which is pi times diameter equals circumference. If you know the radius of the circle, use formula 2, shown in green, which is pi times 2 times the radius equals circumference. An example is shown here. We are given the diameter, which is 6, and pi, which is 3.14, and are asked to find the circumference of the circle. If we use the formula 1, pi times diameter, we can substitute in our numbers to get 3.14 times 6, which equals 18.84. Therefore, we have found that the circumference of this circle is 18.84. This concludes the lesson on how to find the circumference of a circle.